how to get promo code in 1xBet. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you different promo codes available as of now in 2025. So as you can see here on our screen, we have many different available 1xBet promo code over here for different places as you can see. So for January 2025, we have 1xBet our promo codes for Bangladesh, Uganda, Kenya, Pakistan, Ghana, Tanzania, and many, many more. As you can see here, we have the different codes available as you can see here. So if you want to check out a specific promo code, so simply click on use the promo code over here, and you will be able to simply copy and paste your promo code that you have. You could easily claim the promo code that you want to use upon registration when you're registering on your 1x bit or byte over here, and you're going to enter your promo code somewhere around when you're first registering in 1xBet, as you can see here. We also have other options over here or other sources for promo codes. As you can see, they simply copy and paste it on a specific registration or coupon area of 1xBet. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.